We are here on State Gameland 36 for Habitat Workday. Stay with us to watch it all go down.
Stop by Matthews Motor Company today, your trusted source for quality used vehicles. With over a dozen brands in one location, we offer the variety you love. No matter your style or budget, we've got the perfect fit for you. Discover a wide array of vehicles with many priced under $20,000. Feel confident knowing every vehicle is carefully inspected for top quality. As a family-owned, second-generation business, we're local, trustworthy, and here to serve you.
What's going on today?
So today we have a group of volunteers from various conservation clubs and individuals have come out to help us to work on some of our grassland restoration projects here on Gamelands 36 in Bradford County. We've got these pine plantations. This whole area was strip mined back in the 80s, and part of the reclamation was planting trees and grasses. The trees have outlived some of their usefulness, and since we've started managing this as a grasslands, we run use fire as a tool for grassland restoration, and we've noticed that the pines have started to produce seed, and those seeds have been sprouting, which historically didn't happen much with our past practices. So we're removing a lot of the seed source in these pine plantations, and hopefully going to start setting this back to more of our grassland habitat.
How does this help the environment and the wildlife living in it?
A grassland habitat is fairly unique and there are species of songbirds, and in this site actually we do have northern harriers that nest here, and they are ground nesting raptors, which is pretty unique for, you think of a big bird like a hawk, which are raptors and hawks. Those birds nesting on the ground in grasses. This is actually getting on the outside of what they prefer. It's getting a lot more of the woody encroachment, the shrubs, the trees. So by managing this with fire, it's going to hopefully keep that grassland, and then there are obligate species of songbirds that prefer grasslands, field sparrows for one. This is also, we stock pheasants here, and the hunters enjoy put and take pheasant program that the agency provides. As far as environmentally, these trees were planted as part of an erosion control when this was a strip mines, and they were scheduled to be taken out 15 to 20 years after being planted, and that window has since passed. So it's time. There's good vegetation around this, so removing them at this time is not going to cause any further erosion or anything like that. We're very, very flat up here on top of the mountain. So
thank you to all of the volunteers who helped make this day possible, and thank you for joining us today on Canton Homepage.
Stop by Matthews Motor Company today, your trusted source for quality used vehicles. With over a dozen brands in one location, we offer the variety you love. No matter your style or budget, we've got the perfect fit for you. Discover a wide array of vehicles with many priced under $20,000. Feel confident knowing every vehicle is carefully inspected for top quality. As a family-owned, second-generation business, we're local, trustworthy, and here to serve you.